Good morning, Calgary. Here we are again at Dang Good. We are in the northwest of Calgary, and today we are doing a few services. We're doing carpet cleaning, and we're doing upholstery cleaning, and we're doing vinyl deck cleaning with an extra touch. This client has accidentally sprayed red spray paint on their vinyl deck, and we're here to help her with that. Okay, so we're on the deck here. We're going to just move some furniture out of the way. You can see all the red paint. So the customer was painting something and got it all over the deck. They're not aware that we're going to remove this for them, so it'll be a little bit of a surprise. So that's what we like to do here at Dang Good. This client thinks that this paint is permanent damage, so that's why they call Dang Good. All right, so we're going to treat this red paint. I'm doing this as an example to show you. So we're going to treat it with our Dang Good treatment here. Oh, there we go. And now we've got our trusty drill. We're just going to rub this a little bit. You can see that red is already breaking down. Product already working. Okay, now we're just going to start wiping this up. I'm going to have to do another treatment here because it's not all off. Okay, so we've done the treatment. As you can see, we've got a nice clean spot there, but it'll all look that clean when we're done.